The only tool needed for this install is a Phillips screwdriver. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on a 2001 to 06 GMC Yukon XL Denali liftgate style only. So let's get started. First step, remove 2 Phillips screws securing the taillight. Next, go ahead and unseat your taillight. Now go ahead and disconnect your harness from your taillight assembly. And then we're gonna disconnect these 3 bulb sockets by turning counterclockwise. Before we bring over our new taillight, go ahead and inspect the rubber gasket seal. Make sure that they are all intact to prevent any moisture. So go ahead and bring over your new taillight. Turn it to the back. So you're gonna take the top bulb socket, which is your turn signal. Go ahead and plug that into the assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Make sure it's secure. And then we're gonna take the middle bulb socket, which is reverse. We're going to plug that into the bottom. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Now you're going to take the bottom bulb socket and stick it in the middle. That's your parking and brake. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Next, these 2 guide pins. Go ahead and drop it into the slot. Drop in your harness. Line it up. Reinstall your 2 Phillips screws. Now that we're finished installing the driver's side tail light, let's repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we're finished installing our tail lights, let's close the tailgate and test all our tail light functions.